thanks. How are you?
I'm well,
What's
thank
your
you.
name?
My name is Ziad.
Ziad. Okay, please tell us about this yellow baby over here.
Okay, this is a 1983 Mark 1 Caddy Pickup. I basically built the car for a daily use. It's not really a show car. I just bagged it. I cleaned up the engine bay. It is a normal 2-liter 8-valve engine. I got the custom sound system. It is on air. It's rolling on a 15-inch Rotiform. I imported a square front from Mexico. And the paintwork is a custom paintwork. We painted the car about 6 years ago. Yeah, basically that's all I can tell you. It's just a clean build. It's a clean daily car.
I saw that you have like a nice surprise under the hood. Can we just check it out?
Yeah, sure. So under the hood, it's basically a stock motor. It just has some headwork and a cam branch, but basically it's still a MP9 system. There's no management or anything, so it's a 2-liter motor. And then what we done is we just gave it a clean look. The way we built the car is so even if it goes and stand in a VW showroom, it can be sold as of something original,
Oh.
just with something of fine touch. On our interior, we went with bonded brown leather, so I can show you how the interior looks. And then you'll see the back. We actually customized the back so it tucks in the back with the air like that. So
Oh,
that's
this is
basically
nice
our interior.
leather.
Everything is original. We just recovered everything up. And then we have two 8-inch subs in the back. The custom box, and we have a small air setup in the back as well.
So are you team German or Japanese?
I'm both. I have all cars Jap and German, but we only came with 2 German cars this year. So basically we mostly came from our wife's Chambo.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, pleasure.